Because TCek reached out and told us that they had improved on their camping chair. We were sent the TCek RiseLite portable camping chair back over the summer, and we used it so much. TCek asked us to do a comparison of their new and improved version, which is a high back version, and the original, which I was really excited to do. So I'm gonna go ahead and set up the one that we've had. And we have taken this all over. We've taken it fishing. Chad took it elk hunting this year, and basically it's just lived in the car since we've had it. All you do for setup is just pull out these little bars here. And it's been really sturdy. We haven't had any problems with it. Here's how you adjust the old one with that. And it's been great. It's supported all of us. Sam's able to sit in it. So, you know, that's it. That's the original chair. So this is the new and improved. This is heavy duty. This is amazing. My eyes literally like popped out of my head when I saw this because this case is such high quality. But this one also has the adjustable shoulder strap, and it's removable. Let's pull this bad boy out and we'll put them side by side and see the difference.
The TCek RiseLite high back chair. We're out here on a very cold day. We're gonna open it up and I'm gonna show you some tricks. I'm using very thick gloves so you can kind of see where we're going. First thing you do is kind of just fold it out and it kind of will unfold by itself. This will come out and click. There's a button here. This right here will unlock and undo. There's several positions it can be in. If you can see here, there's gears, or notches rather, different positions you can kind of set this in. So that seems to be a moderate position. That's all the way back. So I have found the easiest way to start is with the longest side. You're gonna notice the longest side because it's 3 pieces. Take these 2 pieces first, snap them. Same with the other side. Take this, pull it up and snap it. That is the trick. From there on, it's pretty easy. You just kind of pull it apart and unsnap the others. And these 2 top ones unsnap. You pull a little bit. Probably won't have to do this on a warm day. But here we go. The TCek chair.
Look at this. This is amazing. I had no idea. When I first saw the difference in the cases, I was like kind of surprised, but oh my goodness. So this has a cushioned headrest, which is a pretty cool little feature. If you want to use it or not, you can flip it back. And it also has a cup holder. Look at this. So it's beyond just having a place to put your drinks. It's a place to stick your phone, your keys, whatever's precious to you when you're outside. So very good job adding that feature. I love that. That was my biggest thing I wanted in the original was some sort of a cup holder. The original does have a pocket, but you can kind of feel it a little bit. So you couldn't put anything in there super big. So I haven't sat in this yet, but I'm gonna sit in the original and then move over here and we'll see how it works. So the original one, it's comfortable. You don't have any sort of neck or shoulder support, but it's comfortable. You know, I'm off the ground. That's what matters. So here we go. This is like a legit throne. This is amazing. Oh yeah, that's comfortable. So I'm 5'7" and I'm able to totally lean back. My head's supported on the cushion and I'm able to sit and enjoy looking at this beautiful river. So good job, TCek. Yeah, it's pretty sweet. Pretty nice little setup. So.
Oh yeah, you could take a nap in this chair. Feels really stable. It's kind of neat, like it. So it looks like TCek's using pretty much the same frame. So the frames are pretty much identical. Yeah, it's square aluminum tubing, so it seems pretty strong. This basically just has just a little more to it. So we've got a rivet in pocket, so it should hold up. It's comfortable. I mean, you can sit here and take a nap. I mean, it's like tucks you in like a hammock.
This chair is an extreme upgrade compared to the smaller one. It keeps you higher off the ground, it provides more back support, and when it's packed up, it only adds a few more inches to the pack room than this one.
Did you notice it has a cup holder?
It has a cup holder?
Yeah.
Oh, it does. Most important parts are vases.
Yep. So first things first, when you pack it up, just start on the outside and work your way down. Once you take the top, it takes all the tension out of it. So now it just goes down real easy. All the way back. Same with these. Fold that closed. Just kind of folds in on itself. Find that piece. Just kind of wrap it up. Tuck your little pillow in. Kind of just close it up. Then back in the bag. I think it's a good test to do it with winter gloves on.
Nice.
So, I mean, this is definitely a little heavier, but the base frames are the same, and that's really where your weight comes from. So you got a couple extra aluminum pieces in this and more fabric, but look for a discount code in the description. Bye.